10:22 a.m.
7-hour layover in Miami.
Let's go.
Hurry up.
Las puertas están cerrándose. Por favor, tenga cuidado. Baggage claim. Please exit to the left.
We came from out there. Right here.
We're in Miami.
We're gonna go to 5th and Ocean.
Oh wow.
You see all the houses over there?
Yeah.
It's gonna be called Star Island. That's pretty much where like a lot of artists have their homes.
House on a boat.
He has the property and he has a house that can move anywhere he wants to go.
And there's the Lambo. Alright, so the Uber driver recommended to walk around the marina and then go to the beach. He was driving pretty aggressive to get us over here. Pretty fun, actually.
For reference, this is where we are.
I don't know if the camera shows, but it's pretty much like blue, green, teal. It's beautiful. I was just showing Andrea my yacht right here. What do you think about my yacht?
Dude, that's so big. It's so cute. Look at him. My task is to look on Yelp, find a very cool, delicious restaurant to eat here in Miami.
Quick, too.
Quick, yeah.
We got another flight to catch. Yeah. Came prepared. Ocean Drive. Gelato go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Straight from the machine, the mango.
Straight from the machine.
Fresh. How's the gelato?
It's really good.
To the beach. We found there's a guy with a drone. He's gonna send us the footage. Made a connection in Miami. Cute drone footage. Sand's not that fluffy, it's kind of thick. It's like shelly, but it doesn't hurt. Made it to the water. Now we're gonna get some sandwiches probably and see if we can get to the Wynwood Walls. But we're on the departure. This is the spot you recommended. It's so good. Still got a couple hours left. Let's go. So what happened? What'd you say?
So Pat asked me if he should tip the driver, and I said, well, he dropped us off and made us walk. He didn't actually drive us to where we were going. Pat said that he was going to tip him anyway, and I was like, you're never going to see him again. And
same dude. Pretty well.
just asked him if he could drive us around for the day. Oh my gosh. Fun fact, did you know that how many people die from coconut accidents?
The storm's getting worse now that we're gone.
Alright, this is Wynwood Walls.
Have the best day ever.
Is that our plane? Whoa, look at where we are. We timed it perfectly with Art Week, so it's a little happenstance. So cheap.
I need to just get into art, dude. I can make us rich.
Pretty much the same.
Same dude.
That actually looks pretty sick.
Remember to tag @Wynwood Walls Official and the artist in your social media.
Okay.
Okay, I do apologize for safety reasons, but you know,
Yeah.
jump up and down, that's fine, but no bad.
Oh, no, okay.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. He said, hopefully we got the shot. How'd you like the art?
It was wonderful. It was very impressive.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it was for sure. That was represented in those paintings. Just so beautiful. I'm basically an art critic at this point. Why not?
Final stop for drinks.
I'm so tired.
It's so hot outside. Feels so good in here. From Miami.
A Las Vegas.
A little busier than Austin. We made it through.
It actually wasn't that bad. Honestly, I think we had enough time in Miami as well.
Yeah, it's perfect.
It was just the right amount.
That's a video.
Bye.
You say bye.